Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to swap faces in Capcut. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening the Capcut app. At the bottom, tap on Templates, then go to Search Templates and type in Face Swap. Choose any face swap template from the list, select one you like and tap Use Template. Next, pick the image from your photo library that you want to swap into the video. Tap Next and you'll see the new face appear in the video. If the alignment is off, tap the image or video, then select Crop to adjust the position. Try moving the image slightly until the face lines up properly with the template. Use the check mark to confirm your crop and continue adjusting as needed. You can test the result by tapping Play to preview the motion and see how the face tracks with the original. If you're not satisfied with the template, feel free to go back and select a different one. Capcut offers a variety of face swap templates to suit different styles and formats. Once you're happy with the result, tap Export to save the video or share it directly to TikTok or other platforms. So that's basically how you can swap faces in Capcut. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.